Anthropic's Claude Managed Agents launched in public beta on April 8th. Autonomous AI agents that run for hours without supervision, handling planning, coding, testing, and deployment steps. The price is 8 cents per session hour. Notion, Rakuten, and Asana are already using them in production. The developer job market is already responding. LLMHire has the data. What managed agents are, they run autonomously for hours. They maintain state, use tools, browse the web, write and execute code, and make sequential decisions. 8 cents per session hour. For comparison, median US developer earns 8 per hour. The automation math is immediate. What they handle today: codebase refactoring, test suite generation, documentation from code, bug investigation with root cause reports, dependency audits, and API scaffolding. Notion, Rakuten, and Asana are already using them in production. What LLMHire shows: since the April 8th announcement, AI Agent Orchestration Engineer is up 34% in 6 days. AI Infrastructure Engineer specializing in autonomous systems is up 28%. Prompt Security Specialist is up 19%. Declining: Junior API Integration, Routine Test Automation, and Basic Documentation Work. The skills shift. The developer skills that managed agents cannot replace today: system design decisions with business context, security architecture judgment, product intuition, stakeholder communication, novel debugging in unfamiliar production environments, and AI agent supervision. The market is bifurcating. Higher leverage roles for developers who level up, declining demand for pure implementation work that agents handle. LLMHire tracks which AI engineering roles are growing and what skills they require. Salary data, role frequency, company type. If your career needs a recalibration, start at llmhire.com. More at indofcoding.com.